After waiting patiently for a few months, I'm finally going to be building inside the Louqe Ghost S1. I actually ordered my case around late January and just received it about 2 days ago, but it was so worth the wait. The Louqe Ghost S1 is honestly a beautiful, premium feeling case. Coming from someone that has never built in such a small case, trust me, it's tiny compared to the NZXT H200i that I've owned and carried for around the past year. First things first though, let's take apart my current build and transfer all the parts to the Louqe Ghost S1. After a few hours of work, she's all done, and wow, building in such a small case is not as easy as it looks. Overall, the Louqe Ghost S1 is a great case to build in, but I do have some complaints. Although the space underneath the power supply is really tight, it would have been nice to be able to install a 3.5-inch mechanical hard drive, and not just a 2.5-inch drive. Unfortunately, that was the only part I wasn't able to transfer over. Also, the side panels of the top pad naturally bow inwards for some reason. Luckily, it's not as dramatic once I fought the top panel back on, since it did strain back out the side panels 90% of the way. The small screws and cheap screwdriver were annoying to deal with at times, but I was still able to get the job done. It did slightly bend though, which was weird since I was extra careful not to over tighten anything. All in all, a fun, expensive, but beautiful case to build in. Be on the lookout for my next video where I cover the thermals of this case with these parts. Please consider subscribing and liking, and I'll see you guys in my next video.